This 2-minute tip is one of my favorite marketing tips of all time. Hi, I'm Jeffrey Shaw, business coach for self-employed, host of the Self-Employed Life podcast, and author of the books Lingo and The Self-Employed Life. So this fantastic marketing tip that I have for you is simple domains. Buy simple and memorable domains that you can give out that people can remember and redirect the domain to where you want it to go. The reason this is so valuable today is because so much of the content that you're putting out is either audio or video driven. You might be a guest on podcast. You might be on TikTok or Instagram. There's so many things that you're doing that is not a clickable link. So what you want to do is create really simple domains. They're so inexpensive. Buy a simple domain and redirect it to where you want to go. For example, I have domains for all my different calendars. I have domains for my lead magnets, things like selfemployedassessment.com, brandmessagereview.com, my TEDx talk, jeffreyshawtedx.com. So you can use these to redirect to calendars, to landing pages, to lead pages, to one sheets, to content, wherever it is that you want to direct people. Buy simple and memorable domains and redirect it to where you want to go. It's probably easier to remember than your website, and you don't want to direct people to a website and make them find what you want them to find. Simple domains, one of the best marketing tips that I know of, and redirect people to where you want them to go. And there is your 2-minute tip.